Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper pumpkin ghost. So this is like a pop-up ghost. So we'll usually have a pumpkin, and if we open this part over here, a ghost will pop out from this pumpkin. Then we can easily push this part in as well. So in this video we'll be seeing how to make this easy and useful pumpkin ghost. So you can use this for playing. You can also insert this into a greeting card, and you can write a sign that says pull. You can also play with this, and you can use it as a Halloween decor, or you can gift it for someone to Halloween. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful paper pumpkin ghost. So first, for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular orange piece of paper like this. So the first step we're going to be doing is I'm just going to be folding the paper in half like this. The next step is that I'm just going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle line slowly. So after we fold it slowly, I'm just going to be taking this part, and I'm just going to be overlapping it a little bit on top of this one, and I'm going to be folding it. So the next step is that I'm just going to be applying some glue on one side part of the paper like this, and now I'm taking the other part and I'm folding it on top. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be making the structure of the pumpkin. So for that, I'm just going to be cutting the paper at the corner part like this. And I'm going to be repeating the same step on the opposite sides of the paper as well. So this will make like the pumpkin look curved. So we have to do this slowly. Now we are ready with this one. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be making the other top part for the pumpkin. So next I'll be telling you guys how to make the paper ghost. So for this, I'm just going to be taking a white piece of paper, and I'm just going to be drawing a half oval like structure like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be making this oval like structure come to the bottom, and I'm going to be just drawing a small curve like this. So I'll show you guys. So I'm just drawing a structure like this. It doesn't matter how we draw it on the bottom part, because anyway this part is anyway going to be on the bottom inside, and you're not able to be seeing it. So after you complete this, I'm just going to be cutting it out. You guys can do it in any color, but mostly a ghost will look like white in color. So you guys can do it gray, black, or any color you feel like will suit or will be the best. So I'm just doing it, cutting it slowly. You can cut it in any design you like. So now our paper ghost is ready. So I'm just going to be keeping these two parts aside, and now I'm going to be taking another rectangular piece of paper like this. So now we are just going to be folding this paper in half slowly like this. So after we fold it in half, I'm just going to be cutting the paper on the top part like we did on the other part. We have to do this slowly, and I'm just going to be opening this part. So now I'm just going to be taking this part over here, and I'm just going to be sticking it on top of the ghost. So I'm just going to be applying the glue on the bottom part of the paper slowly. So now I'm just going to be taking this ghost part and I'm sticking it onto it. Now I'm applying some glue on top of the ghost, and I'm sticking this part to it. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm taking a rectangular green strip of paper, like dark green. I'm just going to be applying some glue on the top part of the paper like this, and I'm just going to be sticking this onto the back part of the paper slowly. So now we'll get a structure like this. So I'm just going to be cutting the paper on the top part over here slowly. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be sticking it, and we'll have a structure like this. So you guys can draw the hands for the ghost as well, but I'm just not going to be drawing them. For example, you can just cut out two rectangles, and then you can stick one over here and the other one over here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm taking a pencil, and I'm just going to be drawing two small circles, and I'm just going to be drawing another two ovals over here, and I'm just going to be coloring the circle in like this. So now I'm just going to be drawing a small dot, and I'm drawing a circle at the bottom part of the dot. This is for the ghost. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper slowly like this. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm just going to be taking the pumpkin part over here, And after we take the pumpkin, I'm just going to be taking a pencil and I'm just going to be drawing the designs for the pumpkin. So you guys can do any design you'd like. So I'm just going to be drawing 2 curved lines over here on this. Now I'm just going to be drawing another 2 circles for the eyes. You guys can draw your own eyes, or you can look in YouTube or Google for drawing eyes, or you can just draw these simple eyes I'm drawing. So after that, I'm just going to be drawing a small dot on the bottom part. Now I'm just going to be drawing a big smiley like this, or you guys can put any mouth you like. I'm just going to be drawing small square like rectangles on the bottom part of these smileys. So we have to do this slowly, and the smiley part of the pumpkin is also ready. So the next step we'll be doing is that I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm just going to be pressing it inside over here, and I'm squeezing it in over here. So I'm just going to be squeezing it in so that we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm just going to be connecting these lines, the remaining parts over here, so that they match with each other. I'm just going to be drawing a small line in the middle as well. So we'll get a structure like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be applying some glue on the bottom part of the paper over here. So I'm just going to be applying some glue slowly like this at the bottom sticking part. Now I'm just going to be pushing this paper inside, and I'm just going to be putting this and pressing it at the bottom part, and I'm leaving it. So after we complete this, our paper pumpkin ghost is ready. So we just have to push it over here and the ghost will pop out like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So in this video we saw how to make a beautiful pumpkin ghost, and it's a very creative idea as well. So as I said, you guys can put your own creativity and design it, or you can stick this white part on the most bottom part and you can just push it over here. So after we do that also, we'll get a structure like this. So you guys can visit my channel and you can see a lot of more craft ideas like this. And I've also posted a lot of Halloween ideas in my channel as well. For example, how to make a paper Halloween ghost, this one, a pumpkin ghost. I've already posted a video about how to make a normal pumpkin, a witch hat, and many more like this. I don't remember them all. You guys can go and check if you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, so that you'll receive more interesting videos like this. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Also share it with all your friends and relatives. And I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and keep continuing to watch my channel for more interesting videos. And I post videos for every festival, and I post a video every day, so you guys can watch it and get more interesting videos like this. So that's it, and our video is over, and I'll see you guys next time on Aish's Crafty Kids Club. Bye!